Ready? Yeah. Ooh, he's...
All right, just get him. All right, everybody. We caught the snake that was bothering Cosmo. You see he's going to bite. Rocco, film this. This is good.
Okay.
Are you getting him?
Yeah.
Come on, let's bring him over here.
That's a big black racer.
No, 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 no.
That's a big black racer.
Yeah, I thought we'd get him. This is the homemade snake catcher that I made.
It could be a water moccasin or something.
Oh gosh, you think it's a water moccasin? Come here, get closer with the camera.
It could be. And the scary thing is that he couldn't be a black racer. He could be like some other snake that we don't know about. Like a water moccasin. It's pretty, I think it's able to be big enough to be one. But it's probably just a black racer.
Well, you know what?
What?
We did it. We saved our first snake.
Yep.
And here we have pretty much, this is Momo. This is who let us know about the snakes. That there was a snake out here. Thanks, Momo. That's the only time you're not being annoying. And I wanted to show everybody my snake catcher. It's just made out of PVC. And I put a piece of string through here. All the directions are on YouTube. But here, let me just put this down a minute and I could show you. See the this.
If you want to learn about snakes.
This comes out of the front. See, so you loop that around. You pretty much loop this around his neck, and then over here, down here, we have the handle. Hold on. The handle, which is just another piece of PVC hooked onto that, and as we pull on the string, it tightens a noose around his neck, and that's what it did. So for a few dollars you can make yourself a snake catcher and go out and have some fun. But remember, don't kill them, because why, Rot?
Because they eat rats.
Right.
And guys, link in the description if you want to learn about snakes. I think I said that before. But just to let you know, link in the description to learn about snakes.
Right. And if you want, check out YouTube and make yourself a snake catcher. Make yourself a snake catcher. So just in case you find one in your backyard, you'll be ready.
And also, if you go to the link in addition to see snakes, you will also even find poisonous snakes information.
Yeah, look, Cosmo's so happy the snake is gone. He's singing. You're singing? Happy days, Momo.
Hello, sunshine, goodbye, rain. She's wearing my school ring on my chain. She's my steady